Look at this machine. So this is Josh Gooches. Hang on, I'm gonna work out what it's called. It's called a YT Capra. Yeah, it's down here. It's called a YT Capra Uncaged 9 in deeper purple. And it has ohlins suspension, which Josh and I are going to set up correctly once he has dropped off some other parts. So it comes stock standard with a Renthal stem. It's got code brakes, ohlins 38M2 forks. I have to read up on those. We've got an ohlins TTX. I've heard of one of those. Looks like we've got a little bit of an adjustment here with a flip chip in the bottom. But yeah, lovely bike. Now I haven't fully built it because they're actually getting some axis shifter and derailleur. What sort of wheels has it got? Oh wow, so it's got Crank Brothers rims. Oh yeah, there you go. Crank Brothers Synthesis wheels, front and rear. Nice Crank Brothers hub down in there. We're gonna make those tubeless. But yeah, this is Josh's new bike. So just thought I'd shoot a quick little video. This is a factory bike. Comes with a YT Postman lever. Seems pretty sick. And yeah, the Renthal stem, as I mentioned. It's this nice purple color. I think that blends in nice with the ohlins. Let's see what seals these ohlins have got. I bet you they're SKF. Doesn't say. Yeah, they are. Yeah, so yeah, genuine SKF seals, which I've heard good things about. I generally use Racing Brothers seals, but you know, SKF is a seal maker, so I can't see them being terrible at all. Cables are a bit long out of the box. Might have to shorten those. But yeah, there you go. That is Josh Gooches YT Capra Uncaged 9. Not quite built. Not allowed to work past 6 PM. I just came down here to sort of lock everything up and turn the lights off, and thought I'd film my first bike video. I've made some pretty crappy car videos, put on my YouTube channel, and I thought, well, I actually know a bit about bikes, so maybe I should make some videos about things that I actually know about, rather than, you know, things like this stupid thing that I don't know about. So yeah, there you go. If you're thinking about buying a Jeffsy, no, Capra, it's called a Capra. Why do I keep thinking it's called a Jeffsy? But yeah, looks like a lovely bike. Great suspension upgrade as well. Those forks look sick. Cool. Thanks for watching. Got any questions or want to leave a comment, feel free, and I'll answer you. I answer all the comments basically, because there aren't very many of them, but that's all right. We're professional bike mechanics. We're not professional YouTubers. Thanks for watching.